Discover quality student living at Elora Place, Lafayette, designed to elevate your university experience. Move into your sweet new ensuite, non-ensuite, or one-bedroom apartment and meet the warm bed waiting to give you the comfiest of sleeps. Don't worry about running to the laundromat. Facilities are available on site. Hit your fitness goals in the power-packed fitness centre. Get competitive on the tennis court or refresh with a run on the playground. Take it easy after a long week at school with a dip in the sparkling pool. Avail the clubhouse with friends or unwind in the TV lounge. Fire up the grill and munch on juicy barbecue with friends in the picnic area for a fun weekend. From on-site maintenance and management to covered parking, every bit of convenience is available here. University of Louisiana at Lafayette is a short drive away, so you'll get used to being on time. With buses from Caliste Saloon Road and Faubourg, plus the Lafayette Amtrak station, your travels are seamless. Don't wait, come to Elora Place via amberstudent.com.